Okay, so we'll split that radical into two, and we stop and take a look at what do we know the square root of. We'll put in the first radical and our leftovers in the second. So in the first one, we do know the square root of 4 is just 2, so let's stick that in the first one for sure. And 225, and actually if you don't recognize that, you can play with the calculator, but the square root of that we do know as well is 15. So we'll put that whole fraction in that first radical, and that leaves nothing numeric in the second. And we take a look, x to the 16, we know the square root of that, no leftovers. The y, well, we do know the square root of 14 y's, which would leave 1 leftover. And we do know the square root of 2 z's with 1 leftover there. And so let's do all of the square roots that we can here. 4 we knew was 2, and 225 is 15. The square root of x to the 16 is x to the 8, y to the 7, and just z. And that leaves us with a yz as our leftover. And that's our final answer.